The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for eastern Tarrant and western Dallas counties until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and destructive tornado was located 3 miles north of Fort Worth, or near Diamond Hill, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: Trained Weather Spotter. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over urban areas of eastern Tarrant and western Dallas counties, including the following locations: Fort Worth, Diamond Hill, Haltom City, Richard Hills, Woodhaven, Arlington, Pantego, East Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mountain Creek, Irving, Cockrell Hill, Oak Cliff, Dallas, Oak Lawn, Highland Park, Redbird, Wolf Creek, University Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.